morning children, this is Jyoti. I am here to reach you SST on behalf of Jyoti Academy Class 3rd, Chapter 3 Festivals we Celebrate. Children, yesterday we read about Independence Day and today we will read next paragraph. India is a republic. It became a republic on 26 January 1950. Children, we all know that India is a republic country. It became republic on 26 January 1950. 26 January is celebrated as Republic Day every year since then. Children, when India got freedom and it became republic, we celebrate 26 January as Republic Day every year since then. Children, we celebrate 26 January in our school as Republic Day, and it is our national festival. Okay? Next is a special parade is organized at Rajpath in Delhi on this day. Children, we all know that our president and our prime minister celebrate Republic Day at Rajpath in New Delhi. So, a special parade is organized at Rajpath in Delhi on this day. The armed forces, children from the different schools and cavaliers from different states and organizations participates in the parade. Children, many children of the schools and our armed forces and many organizations participate in the parade. Okay? The president take the salute of the parade. Children, our president take the salute of this parade. Bravery award are presented to children at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Children, our president gave bravery award to the children at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, in the picture you are seeing celebration of Republic Day. Children, this is the picture of parade. Okay, it organized at Rajpath in Delhi. Okay, children, what does republic mean? Children, what does republic mean? A republic is a country which is independent and free. Children, our country India is independent and free. And when a country is independent and free, we called it a republic country. Okay? It selects its own leader and has the same laws and rules for all its citizens. Children, when a country becomes republic, it selects its own leaders and has same laws and rules for all its citizens. Okay? Next is Gandhi Jayanti. Children, 2nd October is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. We all know that 2nd October is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. We also celebrate in our school. Okay? The father of the nation was born on 2nd October 1869. Children, Mahatma Gandhi is father of the nation and he was born on 2nd October 1869. We celebrate this day every year as Gandhi Jayanti. Children, we celebrate 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. He led the fight for the freedom of our country. Children, he fight for the freedom of our country. His samadhi is at Rajghat in Delhi. Children, his samadhi, that name is Rajghat. It's situated in Delhi. A special function is held there and pupils pay their homage. Children, a special function held there on 2nd October and people pay their homage. In the picture you are seeing the picture of Rajghat. Okay, this is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. This is all about today, and remaining chapter we will read tomorrow. Thank you.